Next is the incorrigible, the comical Karen.
Thank you. Are my breasts still standing? The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up at the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh lovely pussy, oh pussy my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. Oh, shut up. I know what you're thinking. This song is wrong on so many levels.
You're just
Call me crude, call me lewd, just don't call me a prude. With my dirty mind. It's my joy, it's my toy, I can turn on a boy with my dirty mind. Every lever and pole, every crack, every hole thrills me down to my soul, thrills me out of control. There's always something raunchy and obscene to learn. My radio is always tuned to Howard Stern, so I need no excuse when I leer and seduce with my dirty mind. You can tell who's your friend by the folks you offend with your dirty mind. There's no cure, to be sure. I'm a sleaze connoisseur. If it's wholesome and pure, then it's devoid of allure. Each stick of butter puts my mind in the gutter. You'll go blind if you unwind this dirty mind. Just because you like smut doesn't make you a slut. Keep your mind open, but you can't leave your legs shut. I'm kind of fond of the double entendre. It's such fun to ponder